और अभी आपको बताएं कि सऊदी अरब के कौमी दिन के मौके पर वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ का खुसूसी पैगाम।
And economic growth. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, with its Vision 2030 and the theme "We Dream, We Achieve," under the dynamic leadership of His Majesty King Salman bin Abdulaziz and His Royal Highness Mohammed bin Salman, Crown Prince and Prime Minister of Saudi Arabia, is assuming a global leadership role. The kingdom is making remarkable strides in ease of doing business, surpassing the world's largest economies, embracing modern techniques. It is in fact amongst the countries that are leading in science, technology, innovation and enterprise. As leader of the Muslim world, Saudi Arabia has consistently championed the cause of justice, equality and peace. Its efforts to promote interfaith dialogue, understanding and cooperation through various international forums have been exemplary. Pakistan and Saudi Arabia enjoy a relationship characterized by mutual respect, cooperation, shared values and enduring friendship that have stood the test of times through all these years. This relation is unique and goes beyond common interstate interaction, as both countries have consistently supported each other in times of need, standing in solidarity during natural disasters and crises, reflecting the depth of the fraternal bond that exists between the two countries. The people of Pakistan join me in acknowledging from the core of our heart the kingdom's generosity in helping stabilize Pakistan's economic situation from time to time. These historic gestures have touched us deeply and profoundly forever. As we celebrate this auspicious day with our Saudi brothers and sisters, I reaffirm Pakistan's commitment to a strong and enduring friendship between our two nations. We will continue to work together to promote peace, stability and development in the region. May Allah bless the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia with continued prosperity, progress and success. Long live Pakistan Saudi Arabia Brotherhood.
सऊदी अरब के कौमी दिन की मुनासबत से वज़ीर-ए-आज़म शहबाज शरीफ का खुसूसी पैगाम आपने मुलाहिज़ा किया।